So I was sitting here on my day off, designing my Vlogmas opening sequence and thumbnails and stuff, just to get ready for 3 weeks' time. And I thought, you know what, I'll do a little tutorial of how I did my Advent scene and in the opening sequence. I'm not an expert at tutorials. This is just a quick video I thought might help someone, and if it does help you, thank you. So yeah, watch it, see what you think, give it a like, dislike whilst you can, and comment below, and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Let me know if you want me to do more tutorials. I'll get better at it as I go along. Okay, let's show you how I'm doing my Advent calendar. Let's hide these for the moment. So we've got the basic. I got a picture, I cut a square out, made it transparent. I've got quotes that go in there, I've got the doors that go on there, and the artwork that go in there. So what I've been doing is, so let's just show you a demonstration. Let's have unhide that and unhide that. So this is day 3. So what's going to happen is, it'll go along, and then as soon as it gets to this point, the door's going to slide open, and whatever is in the bottom picture there will appear in there. So the line there with day 3, I'm using that as a template. So what's going to happen is, I'm going to set the keyframe so it's there. So I'm going to put the marker here, and the door slides off screen. So now what happens is the door slide. So I mean, I'm copying the template from on above, number 3. So I need to change the picture. So I'll unlock that, lock that. I like locking them because otherwise you do stuff and it seems to take everything else with you. So I'll go into my quotes folder, a quote I haven't used yet, so number 19. Put it down there, move that across so I can see, and it's not going to fit. So okay, to make that so it's going to be, there you go. Move that slightly, move it to get it in the frame, squash it up a bit so it all appears. So okay, so of course I don't need the end bit, do I? So I can chop that off. So okay, so you go, so this will be day 17, and there you go. That's how you do a sliding Advent door. And then I'll save it. Hope that's been some kind of help, and yeah, I might do some more of these tutorials, I don't know.